Hi, my name's Diana and today we are going to be making chicken and chili sauce served with white rice. This dish is a Korean recipe I learned to make in my Asian cuisine class. It was fast, easy, and incredibly delicious to make, and I hope you enjoy making it with me. It looks really good, doesn't it? You'll also be able to find the recipe down below in the link. Let's get started. So to make this dish, we're going to need water, chicken, sugar, gochujang chili paste, sesame seeds, sesame oil, green onions, soy sauce, ginger, and garlic. So we're going to combine the chicken and the sugar together. Next, we're going to add the remaining ingredients to make our marinade, which is also going to be the sauce for this dish. Depending on your palate, you can add more or less of the gochujang chili paste. I added a little bit more. You're going to whisk that all together and you're going to let it stand for 1 hour to let all the flavors sink in. You're also going to let the chicken and sugar sit for 1 hour. After the hour, you are going to combine the chicken and the marinade together, and you are going to let it sit for 30 minutes. In the meanwhile, you can start your rice. You are going to use 1 cup of water and 1 cup of rice. I already got mine started and it turned out like this. So after the 30 minutes, you are going to put 4 ounces of water to boil, and then you are going to combine it with the chicken and the marinade and stir it all up. Then you are going to cover it with a piece of foil and you are going to let it simmer for approximately 20 to 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, most of your liquid should reduce and your chicken should come out like this. So once you are ready to plate, you are going to put your rice into your chicken and you can garnish with green onions or sesame seeds. Doesn't it look pretty? Enjoy!